because you are so precious to us, Rachel. And now you've brought this wonderful, wonderful man into our family. And your cousins, we're looking for something so special to do for him that I guess the best way to do it is just in song. Long ago, and oh so far away, I fell in love with you.